Hey y'all, I'm feeling kind of spooky today. Halloween's coming and I wore this shirt because I wanted to kind of look like a snake. Because you know at Halloween we kind of think about these snakes that are out there crawling around to scare us. So I'm going to show you a neat little project that you can do with your children. And after you cut the apples up, it's going to be pretty good, pretty easy for them. So I'm going to take my peanut butter. You know what? I think I'm going to get me a paper towel and just get the dampness off of that apple so my peanut butter will stick to it. This is going to be a fun, healthy little treat for Halloween. All right, so I'm going to take the other half of his lips, or her lips. It can be anything you want it to be. My Aunt Peggy the other night, I got so tickled at her. I was getting her ready for bed, and I said, is this your gown or is it an out in public outfit? She said, Paula, it can be anything I want it to be. I said, I like that answer. I like that answer, Auntie. All right, so we're going to take our ooh, he's got one white tooth. How crazy is that? The rest of them look pretty rotten. What you think? Oh, yeah. He's missing one there. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, he got a candy corn stuck in his tooth. And look at this little piece right there. That little piece of a tooth. There's a nice yellow tooth. Okay. Let's see if he has enough teeth. Does he have enough teeth, y'all? Ooh, he's got some real bad gums, doesn't he? How can I make him better, Eddie?
That's it. Go swim. I look like this morning at the dentist.
Oh, I love the missing teeth. Let's see if we can. This guy's jacked up. You know, I need to be about 8 years old again. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Easy peasy. Your kids will have so much fun. Okie doke, here we go. Laughing and a scratching. Let's give him a yellow tooth. I cut the... How would you like to have to kiss that person? Those teeth would probably cut you. All right, Eddie, I want to swap with you. I want to swap with you. I want to take the camera and I want you to do one because you are so artistic. I just love watching Eddie, y'all, do anything. You know, he graduated from SCAD, Savannah College of Art and Design. And he is just artistic that way.
What are you doing, Eddie?
Well, it's going to be a surprise.
See, that's why I like Eddie's stuff. Because I love surprises. Not surprise birthday parties. But
We know.
I know his is going to be prettier or uglier. You might want to make it uglier then. Oh, wow. Oh, Lordy mercy. Lordy, Miss Claudia. You didn't use any raisins?
No raisins.
Oh, this one's got nice teeth.
Yeah, I'm making mine
You're making yours
Kind of.
pretty.
like a vampire.
Oh, yeah. Aren't the teeth? Should the candy corns be turned the other way? I can't tell.
No, vampire.
Okay.
Or really, no, kind of down.
I guess they're supposed to go the other way.
Yeah.
but-
Yeah.
Just flip the whole apple over.
That's what I thought. But I don't trust my own self sometimes.
They're fine.
Aren't they fun? Bon appetit. Oh, yeah, that's good.
It's good.
You're cute.
Okay, thank you. That's what I wanted to know. All them peanut butter and apples. Happy Halloween, kitties. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.